Good morning, Arizona. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So this is an amazing home just hitting the market. It is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, just over 2,500 square feet. It is a true move-in ready home in Chandler, Arizona. Super cute neighborhood, lots of curb appeal on this home. As you'll see when we're walking in, there's not much you have to do. It's pretty move-in ready, which is nice. All the neighbors are maintaining their yards, as you can see. So yeah, we are in a great location out here in Chandler. This is a single level home. Just listed. We're priced at about $845,000. Again, location, location, location. This home has a great grand entry. Could probably fit about 4 cars in this driveway right here, so it's a good sized driveway. As you can see, they do have those wonderful pavers over there along with the backs. You got travertine throughout. They've done some nice upgrades, including gutters. I mean, out here in Arizona, a lot of the homes don't have gutters. It's kind of strange, but I guess it's because we don't get a lot of rain. But when we do, it's always nice to have them. This home right here has a beautiful security door and a grand entry. So this foyer is absolutely beautiful. Super tall coffered ceilings, great natural light. And you do have a split floor plan home. So we're gonna start off over here in the kitchen area and family room area. And as you can see, it's pretty spacious, pretty well done. We got these gorgeous wood tile floors throughout the home. And the homeowners are selling during the holiday season. So we have some cute Christmas decor. Can kind of envision how your holidays could look. We have this wonderful formal dining area right here, or everyday dining, however you want to use it. They have a pretty good table here, pretty good size. In this room right here, you do have a super tall slider that leads out to this gorgeous backyard. Super excited to get you out there to check that out. In this home, they did a nice job with the granite. It's super pretty. You have grays and blacks and beige and just a lot of pretty colors throughout. And they use a glass tile back here. So that's all done already. Not much for you to do there. They hung some beautiful pendant lights. And again, look at that view. This is so beautiful. You can stand here, do the dishes, have an apple, and boom, baby. Watch the Sunday game. You know, everything's right here, which is wonderful. And again, check out the ceiling height. You can kind of appreciate it right here from this angle. This kitchen features gas, super large island, stainless steel appliances, really beautiful kitchen cabinets, and are you ready for this? Walk-in pantry. So there's many things you can do with these fun pantries. I've seen people renovate these and turn these into small appliance areas. Just depends on your lifestyle and what you're looking for in a kitchen. So to have that extra space is always wonderful. And we're gonna flow right over here into this beautiful family room. Main living area. As you can see, it is a wonderful depth, great length. This room has a lot of size. It's gonna fit a big family in here. So no worries if you are the entertainer. Look at this right here. Absolutely beautiful. All right, so I really want to take you outside, as you can see. Very pretty, but we're going to continue in. So we're leaving this gorgeous kitchen area and we're gonna head down the hall. I think our first stop will definitely be this little formal dining flex room. They have it set up as a den area. I mean, you could definitely turn it into an office. If you needed another bedroom, you could kind of, wow, I wouldn't want to say fence it in, but you could definitely put a door frame in and maybe stick a closet right here. You do have this space, so if that's something that you needed, there's potential. You have plenty of room. And you have this amazing hallway. Like, how fun is this? Lots of lights because there's lots of windows down this beautiful hallway. Take a look at it this way. Again, this home is just over 2,500 square feet, so it is spaced and has pretty good areas. So right here, you do have carpet in the bedrooms, and this is their home theater room. So if you are into theaters and movies, this could be your own space. Sellers are willing to negotiate for the right price. They will leave that bad boy up there. Bada bing, bada boom. So yeah, if you're thinking about having your own home theater and this looks like it could work for you, please reach on out. I can get you a tour. Also on that note, you want to make sure you like, subscribe, and keep an eye out on my channel. We are always taking home tours, either brand new build homes or gorgeous resale homes throughout the valley, just so you can kind of see what's out there, depending on where you're looking, time frame, neighborhood, location, amenities, all that fun stuff. But yeah, so this home right here, this is going to be one of the secondary bedrooms. And again, this has a walk-in closet, which my daughters would have loved to have when they were younger. Closet space has always been a shortfall. We are quite the collectors. So bedrooms are great size, and having these super tall ceilings definitely helps out. And right here is another bedroom. Again, so this one right here, it's going to mirror that last bedroom we looked at. So it definitely has a walk-in closet. Again, this is great. If you have kids that have a lot of clothes or toys, this is going to free up some space in their bedroom. And we finished this wonderful hallway with this second bathroom. Very well done. So you do have a tub shower combo. Everything's in good condition. So home is super move-in ready. And again, everything is negotiable. If this is a home that looks like it could fit your needs, please feel free to DM me, leave me a comment. I'm always here to help. All right, this is pretty unique right here. It's another unique feature of the house. This is the laundry room. So this is the front door where you come in, the garage, and then you have a laundry room right here. And the unique thing about this laundry room is not only is it a good size laundry room, as you can see, you do have cabinet space up there. I'd probably add a countertop up here, or maybe some kind of countertop back here. But it also leads into the master or primary closet, which is, my husband would love that, seeing he's the one in charge of putting the clothes away. So that would make it a little easier for him, but we'll go there last. We're gonna head into this den area. So this is a pretty nice room. If you work from home and need some quiet and some privacy, this would definitely be the room. Again, this is what would be considered a den. There's no closet in here. Again, another great room. So many different spaces in here. So many opportunities for growth. We got this wonderful 2-car garage. And they do have a water softener system. Hot water tank is gas. So out here in Arizona, not all communities offer gas, but this one does. So that's always a great factor for many. Your new kitchen right there. And we're gonna head over here to the primary bedroom. So this primary room is all by itself, so you have a lot of privacy. They tiled all the way through, which is beautiful. You have these gorgeous windows, which look out right there to that jacuzzi hot tub area. Pool. Oh yeah, baby. This is a great home if you like to swim. I mean, you have winter, summer swimming right there in your backyard. For me, I definitely wouldn't want to be swimming in the winter out here, but many do. I just get cold pretty quick. All right, so this is the primary master bathroom. You have double sinks, stand-up shower, soak-in tub, ba-da-boom, and your walk-in closet. And again, this is that same closet that we just viewed, which is a pretty good sized closet. They have a section for him right there. And then over here is that laundry room. So this would be fun, I'm sure, for the kids, a little hide and seek. Lots of areas to run and hide and have fun. All right, so we're gonna head out to my favorite part of the house, which is definitely the backyard. And again, this beautiful home is in Chandler, Arizona. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and we're gonna head out here. So this is beautiful travertine right here. And some pool safety, so if you have little ones or pets, you don't have to worry about installing it. They already took care of that for you. And then you step out here, and it's absolutely beautiful. So to the right, you're gonna have your built-in kitchen, fire pit, which appears to be gas, which is nice. And you have your grill. A little cooler area, your bar, throw an umbrella up here. So it's a great yard for entertaining, just relaxing. It's a PebbleTech self-cleaning pool. And it's super quiet. I mean, I've been here for almost an hour now, and every time I come, it's super quiet. So quiet and a pretty good location. So there's a lot of shopping nearby, easy to get to things. So yes, if you are looking in the Chandler market, this home could be a great opportunity for you to move in. Any questions, please feel free to reach out. I'm always here to answer them for you. And we're gonna take you back out. Let's get the feel of leaving also. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our home tour. Hope to hear from you soon. Have an awesome day.